Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! If you're new to RVing or thinking about getting an RV and hitting the road, well, here's a little tip when you make your reservations. We purchased a 33-foot Class A motorhome, and the reason we did that was because many state parks and national parks don't have sites for larger rigs. But here's a tip when you reserve for any size rig. Pay attention to the dimension of the campsite. So how long is the driveway? What is the maximum allowable unit that you can have on that site? So you don't want to cut it too close, because if you do cut it too close, you might not have some wiggle room if there's a slope, some uneven ground, roots, or trees to get around your slides. Pay attention to how much longer is it than your RV. And you also have to take into account, can I park my tow or towed vehicle there? Some places don't allow the wheels to be on the grass. Some enforce those rules, some do not, but we do stay in quite a few rustic parks where we need a little bit of room to make sure that we can get on some level ground. Here's an example of putting a 33-foot motorhome in a 35-foot site. So this site requires a maximum size of 35 feet for the unit. So we had to be very strategic in our parking here, and it is going downhill, so we couldn't back in because we also have a very low profile and we might drag the front. Also, the utilities are up by the road, which would also make it awkward. We could pull in, but again, we would be extremely unlevel. So we decided to pull sideways as if it's a pull through or pull alongside, and you can see the distance that we have, us and the trees. It's going to be fun getting out of here. It was really fun getting in here. We scratched our heads and we even had somebody stop and say, how did you guys get into that site? Pay attention to those dimensions. Even though I did, and it's not a site I would have chosen, it was the last site I could choose because we made changes at the last minute, so I had to take what there was. We're less than 35 feet, so hey, here we are. Well, we got into this site, so now we have to get out. So we had to put boards under this side at this site, site 12. And then we're going to have to fit through there. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! You're about to hit the mirror. You're like about to take that mirror off. OMG. He's good. He's pretty awesome. So here is site 12 before. It is a slope. That is a downhill, y'all. I don't think the video shows it. Happy camping, y'all.